Finally getting uniforms, guys.
We're getting into t-shirt making business.
Oh yeah, sure, dude.
Okay. I even have one that can press mugs. So I got one that does like 8 stuff. This is for a hat.
Oh.
And then you swing it, yep, and then swing it back over. Press, press, press. Wait, what am I doing? I need to be working.
Hey, look, we do plates.
We could do so many cool gag gifts.
A rock photo. What does that mean? You could put your picture on a rock?
No, picture of the rock.
It's time that we all look the same, you know? It's 2021, I do uniforms now. I can't be wearing these raggedy t-shirts that Sean's wearing all the time.
I'm right here, Haywood.
We can finally get you and Raul matching t-shirts. Boyfriend number 1, boyfriend number 2. Got my hoodie on here. This is what we're going for. We're trying to do like a black on black theme, so it's kind of subtle. You can't really tell until the light hits it.
This is things that age you. Like this. Like this.
Look it.
I already got it.
Which one do you need off? This one?
Dude, go do your thing. You don't need to do shit like this.
Oh, okay.
8.
Watch it look the same.
It
looks, oh no, it looks different. It looks different.
But I don't know if it pressed on completely.
Do you smell that?
Holy shit, this is dope as
Who would have ever thought? Sure pressing is what made 10 smile.
that is cool. This is dope.
Does it look good?
Stop moving.
It doesn't peel up, it looks good. We get asked this a lot when it comes to chrome deleting. What's the best way to do so? Is it vinyl or is it plastic dip? I have a blue Tesla Model 3 here, and I have a Tesla Model S here. Both have chrome delete, but the way the chrome delete is done on both of them are totally different. One is plastic dip and one is vinyl wrap. So I can show you the difference and just how they look, and also sort of like the pros and cons. Like, I'll be honest with you, when it comes to plastic dip, it's not really my favorite just because I don't like the texture. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So here's a plastic dip chrome delete Tesla Model S. Plastic dipping is awesome for small things like badges and emblems, but when you do big pieces like window trims and door handles, do you see how there's a lot of texture? You can kind of tell it just looks kind of faded, and it doesn't really look clean. There's a lot of splotchiness with the two, and the feel of it is kind of weird too. It's kind of rubbery, it's kind of grippy because that's what plastic dip is. Any areas that have a lot of, I guess, friction or rubbing, like on the mirrors of Teslas, it's hard to plastic dip because after a while, as you can see, it'll start to just erode away. So you're back with the chrome left when the mirrors are folded like that. Even with paint and vinyl, some mirror tolerances, like especially on the Teslas, if it's really tight, it can still rub through vinyl, but I do notice it commonly with plastic dip. Alright, so now let's look at the Tesla Model 3 that is chrome deleted with vinyl. Just take a look at the surface of the vinyl. Tell me if you can notice a difference. Can you guys see just how much smoother the vinyl is in terms of just on the surface? It looks way more OEM. Definitely can give you more the illusion that this came from the factory, especially if your Tesla isn't the newer version where it comes black from factory. Matter of fact, I actually have a new Model Y here. We can just compare how it looks. So this is the factory black, super smooth OEM, right? Looks nice and clean. And here is the vinyl wrap, as you can see. So the surface and just how it looks is almost identical. And guys, we're not trying to make fun of the installer or anything like that. I just wanted to do this video to show you the difference between what plastic dip looks like as a chrome delete option versus vinyl wrap. I'm sure there's some installer out there that can do a crazy good job. Unfortunately, it seems a lot harder than it looks to do right. And at the end, it seems like even then, it doesn't have the same finish that you get with either paint or even vinyl wrap. Ooh, guys, look. 4 brown boxes. You know what this means. We got an unboxing, but this is cool. This is from 12/21. We haven't done these in a while. Oh, whoa. So what we have here is a 1331 AP3 3.0 wheel. I know, it's a mouthful, but let me explain to you what that means. 1331 is a spoke design. AP3 3.0 is the configuration of the wheel. So what we have here is a 3-piece wheel, hence the 3.0. Satin black center, clean and simple. And then we have this bronze color outer lip, brushed. It's freaking sick, looks really good. We also have gloss black hardware. These are titanium. Other brands would charge you more for titanium, but these are standard with 12/21. It's lighter, it's stronger. Cool thing about the center cap, because of how they shave down the edges, you kind of have like these 5 corners, if you will. So it gives a little bit more detail, which is nice.
Anita bought me this book, an RX-7 book. She's like, oh, I don't think he has this book. Of course, she's wrong. She paid $250 for this book. And I'm like, you paid $250? I found someone selling for $60. I don't need the book, but I bought it anyways because they sell for $200. But I don't know the condition now. Tearing into this. It's looking decent. Means a little bit of wear here. Well, you can see it's faded, right? The viewers don't believe me how much this book goes for.
I'm sure they believe you, Tint.
$199, $210, $220, $520,
Jesus.
$600, $60. Not a bad deal.
This is getting crazy, guys. We have 4 Model Ys just in this building. I have one here, one back there, one. We're wrapping the entire vehicle. We actually are doing a color we've done before, but on a 3. Satin gray color. Really cool. It has like that primer look. Very similar to like Nardo gray, but if it was satin, you know? Most of you guys are bringing them straight from Tesla. You guys have like maybe 2 miles on them. This one is so brand new. You guys still have your window sticker in your passenger seat just laying there like, what? To have you guys bring a brand new car straight from Tesla to us to just start working on it, it just shows that you have a lot of trust in us and we appreciate that. Guys, look at this Model Y. This car is so brand new that the owner still needs to do the initial autopilot setup. A lot of Model Ys, bro.
The X's came out, we did nothing but X's. The 3s came out, we did nothing but 3s, and now the Ys.
So like usual, guys, we gotta take off the trim piece before we get started. So that's what we're working on right now. You wanna come do it? Nah, you're doing just fine. Done all in one piece. We're obviously gonna cut it out for the doors and everything. It makes it super efficient when we're able to lay the whole thing at one time like this. I spoke to Sean the other day when he was fixing his M3 and he was talking about how he wants to beat you on the track. Do you have any words?
Coming for you, Ted, baby.
Sean claims he's better at driving than me, but he doesn't know yet. But what we do know for a fact is he ruined his car twice just driving on the street. So I don't know if that gives him any credibility at driving.
Racing and defensive driving are 2 different things.
Racing on a track, technically or defensive, you gotta see your apex when to turn in. You know, it's like a pothole, that's your apex. You just didn't avoid it.
Hasn't even had 20 miles on it yet, and we have already started modding it. Went from the factory midnight gray to the satin gray that you see now. It's easy to show off a wrap that's from 6 feet away, and especially in pictures and like online, but getting up close and personal, you can actually appreciate how clean it all came out. So here are some of the close-up shots around the edges and things like that. I like how the color looks when the sun hits it, but even in the shadows, like the body lines are super accented. It looks sharp, it looks aggressive. Let me know what you guys think of this project.
Wow, dude, this is so different. Oh my god.
Yeah, the color looks awesome. I mean, it matches really well with the blacked out trim, the wheels.
Dude, we're gonna really have fun with this car.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Want to work on cars? So hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you like more Tesla vinyl wraps, we are doing another one. It's right there. I'm not going to show you exactly what we're doing yet. You'll have to see for the next vlog, but I will see you guys next time.